Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix Snapchat something went wrong. Something went wrong error in Snapchat. Don't worry, you have to just follow the few steps. So you have to go on your device settings. When it's open, so click on the apps and scroll down to find Snapchat app. So when it's find, you have to click on and click to storage or data usage. So when you click to storage and clear cache, that's all. So you have to go back on your home screen. So you have to go to Play Store that checked that Snapchat has been updated with new features. So well it's not, so you have to be update. So I'll already update. This is how to fix went wrong something. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.